Hello guys, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine and safe.
Let's do the mock test paper of this March 2021 so that you'll be getting a confident in what you have studied all the year. So I thought like it's already time near for the exam, so I thought let's not waste the time and do the mock series. This will really help the people who are writing in June their exams, May or June, whenever it is conducted this year. So for that I have taken out this printout from our ICI website. Okay, therein you're having all the questions with the solution, but the solution is not solved, only the options are given. Okay, now see, this paper should not be totally dependent on okay, I'll be saying how you should be printing this mock paper within very less time. The first thing you need to remember in while solving the paper is that you need to check out very shortest way possible. Okay, not necessary that you go in a long way and calculate like what we do in all the this aptitude tests and all. We have to be finding the solution which are very quick enough. Okay, first thing. Next thing, this mock paper should be solved in an environment of an exam by yourself. Okay, like you try to solve each and every questions unless and until you get a point where you don't understand some question, right? Then you come and check out this video. Otherwise, always try to solve on your own. Okay, now let's start with the business mathematics. The thing is that I'll be uploading 3 videos. I'll be dividing the whole paper into 3 sections. That is business maths I'll be doing in this video. Next video it will be logical reasoning, and another one it is a statistic one. Okay, so this is my approach. Okay, now with a lot of determination and a positive attitude, let's begin our paper. The two numbers are in the ratio 7:8. If 3 is added to each of them, the ratio becomes 8:9. Numbers are, see, it's saying that some number is there, some x number is there, which is in x and y number, which is in the ratio 7:8. If in that number, if we are adding 3 in each of them, we'll be getting the ratio, resultant ratio will be 8:9. Okay, so it is asking us to find the number. What we can do, we can solve that taking it x and y and completely solving. One way is that a lengthy way, a basic way. Other way is that when we have the answer, why not try them? Okay, so here we need to find that two numbers whose ratios are 7:8. Okay, and if at all we are adding 3 to that number, like both the numbers, then the ratio becomes 8:9. So what is the number? See, when in exam, when we are given the options, why not try the options rather than guessing x and y's? So what we do, first take the option A. It is 14. It is nothing but 14:16. If we are adding 3 to both the things, 14 plus 3 is nothing but 17. 16 plus 3 is nothing but 19. So this ratio is 17:19. So no chance of getting this answer to be true. Next is 24:27. In 24 we are adding 3, so it is 27:30. In table of 3, where it goes, 3 9s are 3 10s are. The ratio is 9:10. So this option is also not matching with our answer. Next, with our this answer 8:9. So next is 21:24. Sorry. In this, add 3 to 21. That is 24, and add 3 to 24, that is 27. In table of 3 8s are and 3 9s are. So 8:9 and 8:9, the ratio we need to get is 8:9. So we are getting 8:9. Yes. So option C is our right answer. In exam, right away, when you get your answer, just don't look for the next option. Okay, if we would get the answer in A itself, we would stop then and there itself, because in exam you don't have much time to proceed further. You need to be very quick enough to move forward. Okay, next, which of the numbers are not in proportion? It's simple. Proportion means proportion when two ratios are said to be in proportion if they are equal. It means that A is to B is proportionate to C is to D, which implies that A by B is equal to C by D, right? This is the actual the equation that we need to get. a by b, a divided by b should be equal to c divided by d. So herein it is asking that which is not in proportion. So going with the option, let's take the option. 6 by 8 is equals to 5 by 7. Let's see directly on the calculator. You can do, you don't need to waste your time. 6 divided by 8, 0.75. okay, 5 divided by 7, is it equal to 0.75? No, it is equal to 0.714 and so on. So this is not equal. So the answer option A is our answer. Okay, see, when we are getting answer here itself, why to go and try other problems? Okay, unless and until you are like doubtful about it. But here it's for sure you do not get the first one in proportion. So any one answer will be wrong because it's saying not in proportion. Okay, so then and there will be stopping. Even if you want to try, just try it. All these things are in proportion. Next, third problem, if x square plus y square is equals to 7x, then log 1 by 3 into x plus y is equals to what? It is equal to what? Okay, this is just given for the confusion. By mistake it happened to be here. So we should be getting the answer in log. Okay, and we should be trying this out. So how will we approach this problem? You're given that x square plus y square is this much, and we have to find out log 1 by 3 into x plus y. Okay, so by seeing this question, this is the given aspect, and this we need to find out. We are seeing that the only thing matching with this is x plus 5. So well, in that case we need to simplify this. For simplifying this, what you can get in your mind is, when the thing is given x square plus y square, something is equal to 7xy, herein you can feel that we can make a relation, some relation, but the only thing missing is 2xy, right? That is nothing but a plus b the whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? This formula can be easily fitted here. The only missing one is 2ab, right? 2xi. So what we'll be doing is we will be adding 2xy on both sides, both the ways. Okay, both the sides. So answer, our question will be x square plus y square plus 2xy, which is equals to 7xy plus 2xy. Okay, this is our new equation. Okay, now what we are going to do here, this one we know, we just added 2xy to get the simplified form. So this is nothing but now x plus y the whole square, right? This formula. Now 7xy plus 2xy. Okay, we'll be taking it as 9xy. Okay, so we got this. But you know what, we don't need to find out x plus y the whole square. It's like x plus y we need to simplify. So what we'll be doing, sending the square the other way, x plus y is equals to root of 9xy, which implies x plus y is nothing but, what is root of 9? It is 3 into root of xi. This is our x plus y that we got. But in our question, it is what we need to find out, log of 1 by 3 into x plus y. Okay, so herein what we are going to do, we will be taking log 1 by 3 as it is. In place of x plus y, we are going to replace it with 3 root xy. Okay, these two gets cancelled, 1 by 3 into 3. Okay, the thing only left is log, we'll remove the root also together, xy whole to the power 1 by 2. Alright, herein what we can simplify more to it, it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we are getting before the log. We can do that because of that property, log of xy. So herein, what is log x and log x into y? Log x into y is nothing but log x plus log y. Okay, now let's check out if we have an option, this one. Yeah, 1 by 2 log x plus log y. Yeah, option B is our correct answer. Okay. Let's move on to the fourth problem. The value of 2 to the power n plus 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 2 to the power n. It's the exponential thing. Okay, in exam, here in the mock test paper, it's given the chapter wise. Okay, but in exam it will be all jumbled. You need to be prepared for each and everything. So here in it's like from ratios and proportion, it's starting like this way. Okay, so what we will be doing, will be simplifying this. So 2 to the power n plus 2 to the power n minus 1 is given, right? So we know that one of the property of it is 2 to the power n into 2 to the power n 2 to the minus 1, right? Basis with same power gets added or subtracted, like here in, okay, divided by 2 to the power n into 2 minus 2 to the power n. Okay, we are just separating these two things of the power. So 2 to the power n plus 2 to the power n, 2 to the power minus 1 is nothing but divided by 2, right? 2 to the power 1, right? Anything in the base with a minus power, exponential thing, will get divided. If it gets a positive sign, it means that it should be coming down, right? Next is that 2 to the power n as it is, 2 as it is, nothing negative here, minus 2 to the power n. Okay, now what we will be doing, we'll be taking out 2 to the power n common. 2 to the power n is common, and 1 plus, here in all it's gone, 2 to the power n is gone, 1 divided by 2. Okay, whole divided by, here also 2 to the power n common, here the number left is 2, minus 2 to the power already out, so number left is 1. So this and this gets cancelled. Okay, herein we'll be taking out LCM, so 2 plus 1 by 2 is the numerator divided by denominator is 1, so answer is 3 by 2, right? 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 2. So our answer is right away 3 by 2. It was easy. Next, if 3 to the power x plus 5 to the power y equal to 75 to the power z, then we need to find any of the equation. Okay, which one is correct? So let's solve this problem in the notebook. 3 to the power x is equals to 5 to the power y, which is equal to 75 to the power z. Okay, this is what is given. So whenever there are some like 3 powers, we need to equate all these things to some common factor. Okay, 3 to the power x is equals to 5 to the power y is equals to 7 to the power z is nothing but some k, some constant k. Okay, so what we will be doing, we'll be relating each and every one to this k. 3 power x equal to k. Okay, 5 power y equal to k. Okay, 75 power z is equals to k. We know this, okay, from this equation. So if we want 3 to be here, normally we will send this x to the other side. So 3 is equals to k power 1 by x, right? When x goes the other way, it becomes it comes in the division, right? So 5 to the power y was there, so singly we need to get this y, so we'll be sending this, 5 will be sending this y, so it will be k to the power 1 by y. And next 75 as it is, we'll be sending the z to other side as we did for other two, divided by 1 by z. Okay, now all the constants are one place. Next thing is just relate here, we'll be taking this one. Okay, 75 equal to k power 1 by z. Okay, herein you see, if 3 and 5 we can do nothing more. Okay, this is itself the end of the solution, right? But here in 75, can we simplify? Yes, we can simplify. 75 can be written as what? 75 can be written as 25 into 3 equal to k to the power 1 by z. Okay, which implies that, like, again 25 can be written as 5 square, right, into 3 equal to k to the power 1 by z, sorry, power 1 here. Okay, so this can be written, 75 can be written as 5 square into 3, which is equals to nothing but k to the power 1 by z. Now we know what is 5, what is in place of 5, it is k to the power 1 by y. So k to the power 1 by y the whole square, plus what is 3, what is our 3 here, k to the power of 1 by x, which is equals to k to the power 1 by z. Herein k to the power of 2 by y, right, we are multiplying this thing, 1 into 2 divided by y, plus k to the power 1 by x, which is equal to k to the power 1 by z. Now bases are same, power gets added. This is the basic thing that we have learned in exponential. So this is what we are applying here. So all the bases are same. Now we can relate each and every one. So 2 by y plus 1 by x is equals to 1 by z. Are we having this option here? 2 by 1 by x, yes. 2 by y equal to 1 by z, yes. Option C is our answer. Yeah, now the sixth problem. This is the most asked, and it's the I mean most of the students leave this question because it's very difficult, they think, but it is very easy once you need to put on the logic in it. The value of root of 6 plus root of 6 plus root of 6, the whole, so on till infinity. Okay, this infinity problem is there. Okay, so what we will be doing is, we'll be taking, let x be equal to root of 6 plus root of 6 plus root of 6 and so on till infinity, right? So here what we will be doing, like writing all the time infinity and all, what we will be doing, will remove, I mean if we remove the 6 from here, okay, and we take this, still the value will be x here, right? Even though if we remove this 6, okay, and again we take the 6 plus root of 6 and also on, this value will be x, right? It's like, since it's an infinity, it goes on and on. Whatever value you take, even though you're removing the initial things, the thing, the problem, I mean the number will be same, always repeated thing, right? So herein, from this easy way out, we can say that x is equals to root of this 6 we are taking, and this whole thing is as x, right? Okay, now what we'll be doing, squaring both the sides. So it will be x squared plus that root and square get cancelled, so 6 plus x. Okay, now we'll be taking out the equation and all, that will be a big thing. So what we'll be doing, very simplest way, just taking, putting the values which are given here, a b c d values, and putting and checking as in trial and error method whether it's we are getting the equation equal. So what we'll do, first we'll take the option A, which is -3. So in place of x, -3 the whole square is equal to 3 plus minus 3, sorry, 6 minus 3. So what it is, 3 square is 9, which is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, is it equal? No, it's not equal. So option A is not good. B, answer is 2. Okay, so let's take, in place of x, let's take herein. Okay, we are solving for this thing. Herein, in place of x, let's take 2. 6 plus 2, are they equal? 4 equal to like 8. Are they equal? No. So B is also not for us. C, let's see 3. Is it equal? 3 square equal to 6 plus 3. 3 square is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. It is equal? Yes. So option C is our answer in it. Okay. Now let's move on to the seventh problem. If one root of the equation x square minus 3x plus k is 0 is equal to 0 is 2, then find the value of k. Okay, it's asking us to find the value of k. We know we are given with 1 root 2, that is nothing but alpha, okay, is 2, and equation is given, but the only missing figure is given. Okay, so we know that there'll be like 2 roots, right, alpha and beta, right? We know this in the quadratic equation. Okay, so what can be done here? We know this is 2, we don't know about this. Okay, so one thing we can easily know is the sum of the roots. What's the formula for the sum of the roots? It's minus b by a, right? So here in all the other options are given, right? This is 1, this is a, this is b, and this is c. Minus b by a. What is b here? It is altogether minus 3, right? This minus this minus stays here, and actually b is minus 3, right? So minus 3 divided by what is a? 1. Answer is positive 3. right? So we got sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is nothing but alpha plus beta, we got 3. So herein we know alpha is 2, we can easily find out beta. So alpha plus beta, both the things together is 3, okay, which implies that beta is nothing but 3 minus 2, right? Alpha is 2, we got to know from our question that it is 2. So beta is equals to 1. Now one more thing we know from this, since we know alpha and beta, we can even find out the product, since we need to find out the constant k. So product of the roots is equals to alpha into beta, which is nothing but, what is the formula for the product? C by A, right away. Okay, alpha beta, what is C? We don't know. K, what is A? What is A here? It is 1. So alpha into beta is K. Alpha and beta, we know alpha, we know beta. What is alpha? It is 2. What is beta? It is 1. Answer is K. Okay, right away we got what the constant value K is 2. Okay. So here in option C is the answer. Let's read 8th problem. If arithmetic mean between roots of a quadratic equation is 8 and geometric mean between them is 5, then find the equation. This is very simple. It's just forming an equation. So let's see for the 8th problem. AM of the roots. What is arithmetic mean? That means an average of roots. Average of root is alpha plus beta. This is nothing but AM. Okay, alpha plus beta divided by 2. Okay, we are already given it as 8. So alpha plus beta is nothing but, when we send to the other side, it is 16, right? So by this we got sum of roots, right? Another one is GM. What is taken out? The product, root of the product. Okay, root of alpha into beta, which is equal to 5, right? Okay, here in simplified form, when we want to remove this root, squaring both the sides, so it will be alpha into beta equal to 5 square. So alpha into beta is 5 square is 25. This is nothing but, this is the sum, addition, and this is the multiplication, so it is a product. Product of roots is 25. Now forming an equation, it's very simple. What you need to do, you need to know the formula how to form the equation. It is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the root is equals to 0. Okay, so x square as it is, we are taking sum of the roots, we got 16. Okay, and x we are taking as it is here. What is the product of the root that we got? It is 25, which is equals to 0. So this is the answer. X square minus 16x plus 25, right? This is the answer. B is the answer. 9th one is very simple. We can just take here itself. The transpose of a column matrix is, you know what that transpose means? Transpose means all the row matrix turns into the column and the column turns into the row. That is nothing but any of the matrix here, m into n, will turn away in transpose. Okay, which is right. Suppose this is A, so A transpose will be n into m. Okay, all the rows will get into the column and all the column will get into the rows. Okay, so it's very simple. The transpose of the column matrix will be simple opposite row matrix. Okay, the same thing is again from the matrices. That is the two matrices are given, that is 2 into 2, so multiplication is possible. So the right away what we will be doing here itself. Okay, whenever you get the multiplication, or addition is very simple, but multiplication, first take the row and then multiply with the column. Same thing goes, then this, then this. Okay, first with this, second with this. Again take the next row and multiply with both the columns. So taking that advantage, okay, we'll be multiplying here itself. A into minus A into minus A plus minus B into B Okay, this first row and first column got multiplied. Now the same thing goes with the first row and second column. So A into B, I'm writing it very clearly so that people should understand each and every concept clearly, seeing the paper, not just but in exam your mind should be very active and it should be very quick. You have to solve each and every problem within 1 minute. That's the only solution that you'll be able to complete a whole paper within the time limit. Okay, A into B, then plus minus B into A. Okay, this is the first row and column got done. 2 columns. Okay, next take another row now. B into minus A, this row and this column. Okay, B into minus A plus B. Okay, A into B. Next is this for second row and second column now. B into B plus A into A. Okay, very simple. Now multiply. Be careful with all the signs. A into A minus A square. It's minus here, so minus will be there. So minus B into this thing, it will be minus B square. Sorry, minus B square. Okay. Next one, AB. A into B is AB plus, sorry, it's minus again. Minus B into A, it is AB. Same. B into A or A into B is nothing but AB. Here also, it is minus AB plus AB, A into B. Okay, here it's B square plus A square. Here in you see AB plus AB minus AB cancel, plus AB minus AB cancel. The answer will be minus A square minus B square, 0, 0, and B square, A square plus B square. Either way you can write. It's good that you write alphabetically ordered things, so it will be very easy to find out in the question. So which option is correct in our answer? Let's check. Minus A square plus B square. Yeah, option B is right.
All other problems will be covered in next part. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.